Hello everyone. In this video, we have to discuss about conditional statements in JavaScript. First, we have to know the what is the conditional statements. JavaScript conditional statements are used to decide the flow of execution. That is, if a condition is true, then we can execute the some block of code. Otherwise, we can exit the code or we can go for else but. In JavaScript, there are some conditional statements that are if, if else, if else if. If condition. Here, if the condition is true, execute block of code. If it is not true, then we can exit from the code. For example, here you can see I assign a value for a that is a 10 if a is greater than 11, which is not true, right? Console.log welcome to JavaScript. Otherwise, we can out of the block we can execute hello. Now you have to observe a is a value 10 and 10 is greater than 11, that is not true. So this condition is not work. Only this hello will print here. Now we have to know about the if else. In this, if the condition is true, we can perform the block of code. Otherwise, we can execute else part as shown in the example. If else if. In this, we can execute if and else if number of times. For example, here you can see the example. I declare a variable name is x. If x is greater than 20, then print hi. Else if x is not true, then we go for else part. Here x equal to 10, which is true. That's it can print hello. Else if it is not true, then we can execute another else part. That is all about the JavaScript conditional statements. I hope you guys are understand. I'll back with you uh, loops in JavaScript and next week. Thank you.